I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I ain't give to you. Oh, friend, why you so shy? I'd like you to hold that high from your life. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I don't you see my face, and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.